Hello everyone and welcome back to the Creative Generalist channel. Today we'll guide you step by step through downloading, installing, and setting up the official Cubase 15 free trial. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser. To ensure we get the safe, official version, simply type Cubase into Google. Look for the official Steinberg website in the search results and click on it to enter the site. Navigate to the Products section and find the official page for Cubase 15. You will see a banner that says, Try Cubase 15 free for 60 days. Click on that to proceed to the download section. Scroll down the page. For beginners, I recommend starting with Cubase Elements 15, but you can choose Pro if you like. Click on Try for free. To manage your licenses, Steinberg requires an ID. You'll be redirected to a sign-in page. If you don't have an account, let's create one quickly. Enter your email address, create a strong password, select your country, and hit the Next button. For security, a 6-digit verification code will be sent immediately to your email address. Check your inbox, copy that code, and paste it right back into the verification box on the website. Confirm your subscription preferences to finalize your account creation. Now click Download for Windows to get the Steinberg Download Assistant. This tool is essential as it manages all future updates. Locate the downloaded installer file and open it to begin the installation process. The wizard will pop up. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Install to get the assistant ready. Once installed, launch the Steinberg Download Assistant from your desktop. It will ask you to sign in. Click the button and it will redirect you to your browser to authorize the application. Make sure to click Open Steinberg Download Assistant when the browser prompts you. The assistant will quickly update itself to the latest version. Just wait a few seconds for this to finish. Now, select Cubase from the menu on the left and then choose Cubase Elements 15 from the list. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a detailed list of the virtual instruments, sound libraries, and various additional tools included with the Cubase Elements 15 package. Normally, the most practical way to take full advantage of everything the software offers is to click the Install All button in the top right corner to start the process. I also click this button first so it looks like a standard installation. However, to speed things up, I'm only downloading the main program file, Cubase 15 application. I've canceled the large instrument and sound package downloads since they can significantly extend the installation time depending on your internet speed. Once the main software shows a green checkmark, you are ready to launch Cubase 15 for the first time. The Steinberg Activation Manager will appear first. You need to sign in here once more to activate your trial license. After logging in, you'll see a success message. You can now close the browser and return to the manager. Find Cubase 15 Trial in the list and click the red Activate button. Your 60-day period starts now. If Windows Defender or your firewall asks for permission, click Allow to ensure the VST scanner works correctly. When Cubase 15 opens for the first time, small information windows will appear highlighting new features and interface layouts. This is essentially a welcome tour. If you want to skip quickly, you can click Next through the steps or close them directly. Before doing anything, the system will ask us to select our audio input and output device. This part is critical. If you have an external audio interface, make sure to select it from the list. If you don't have one and plan to use your computer's headphones, choose Generic Low Latency to continue and get sound. Once the audio setup is complete, we move to the Project Creation screen. Here you'll see ready-made templates for different music styles, such as chamber orchestra or hip-hop. These are great for quick starts later, but for now, we want to see Cubase in its most basic form. So we skip the templates and click Create Empty to open a blank project. After making your choice, Cubase will ask where to save the project files. This is where many beginners make mistakes. Instead of picking a random location, create a dedicated folder on your computer and select it. Maintaining this discipline is essential because it prevents your files from getting lost. Once the folder is chosen, here it is, the Cubase 15 workspace. And here we are. This is the main Cubase 15 interface, showing your timeline, inspector, and mixer view. The interface is very flexible. You can resize windows and navigate through menus quickly and efficiently. Of course, there is much more to explore. The Preferences menu hides a lot of power for customizing your workflow later on. You are all set up and ready to create music. In this tutorial, you learned how to safely download, install, and activate the official free trial of Cubase 15, and how to set up a clean first project as a beginner. As you can see, Cubase involves a relatively complex setup, and the free trial is limited. If you are looking for free and unlimited DAWs, we strongly recommend checking out other options available on our channel, such as Waveform Free, Cakewalk Next, and VandLab, along with more that will be featured soon. Additionally, while not a DAW, MuseScore, a free and open-source music notation program, is excellent for notation, composition, and arranging. We encourage exploring such tools to broaden your creative workflow, and similar content is already featured on our channel and will continue to appear in the future. Whether you're just starting out or already advanced, you'll find valuable content in our playlists. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.